So we have to be born, as some religions say, in sin. Right? But these religious people hold us down because now they're in a comfort zone. They live off the fat of the land, while you and I become their slaves. And the corporate people are the same way. Corporate means flesh, and Paul said flesh and blood cannot inherit the kingdom of heaven. So up here, inside the brain, not outside, this is flesh out here, inside the brain. You know, all you gotta do is bump it a bit, like this pure actress who fell off the skis. She died. Because we have blood up there. We shouldn't have blood up there. We should have lacteal, milk. Milk, not blood. The circular of Willis should be full of milk, the lacteal system, which turned into the lymphatic system. And the lymphatic system is making us mad. It's making us this, that, and the other thing. So you become one with that which we have experienced with the solar system. But we know the solar system cannot give us immortality. Never. It is only a law of God that can do it. So this means I am one with what I have experienced in the solar system. You get it? This con here is a con game. So let's get away from it. We've had enough. Now, I'd like to read something from John 9:6. And this is when there was a blind man. And what did Jesus do? He spat on the ground and made clay of the spittle. And he anointed or rubbed the eyes of the blind man with clay. And Jesus said unto the blind man, go, wash in the pool of Siloam. And here it said, it means sent. He went his way therefore and washed and came seeing. Now when we speak of the pool here, we think of water. But this is not water. Not water. You better listen carefully to this and tell this to your friend. Now let me go a little further, then I'll explain it to you. And Jesus said, for judgment I come unto this world, that they which see not might see, and they would see might be made blind. Might. In other words, we do have a free choice here. We can always go around. And when it says unto this world, it really means this winter season. Not the world, the winter season. Okay? Now what is a pool? A pool, we look at it as if it's water, but it's not. Inside of the seed of mankind is a pool of rods. And to bring it up to our understanding, electrons. And when this seed is cracked or fission takes place, these rods emanate, come out. And these are rods. But these rods are masculine. And they go out to conquer the new medium. And this is generally done in the bottom of the sea. So let me at the seashore, and we come down, and here we have all kinds of, and along here someplace, this could be a volcano exploding, and if it does, along here we have light, a pool of light, and that light has living creatures. So this is the earth. This is the bed of the earth. This is the land. And we are engulfed in air. A crude picture, but it'll give you the idea. Okay? So, in order for this person to see, it wasn't a question, spittle and clay. It's just a way of speaking. And they told him to go to a particular place called Siloam. Siloam. The Siloam pool. I'm looking it up, way back into the Hebrew and Aramaic, it means javelin or a spear, or a rod, or if you wanted, electron. See how you have to? And that's your vision. Okay? There's your vision.